Okay, this is tutorial 1 exercise 2. So we need to check on the sketch here how we're going to build a 3D model for this. Okay, what we're going to do first, we will try sketch the bottoms with 2 circles and top with 2 circles. So first check with the unit system, we need cm. Change the unit to CGS. Then we start from front plane, sketch. First we will use circles. Start from the origin, 1 circle, 2 circles. Add smart dimension. So the inner circle is 16. This one is 36. 16. 36. You can scroll to zoom in or zoom out. Then exit smart dimension mode. Add another 2 circles. What is the dimension of these 2 circles? 2, 6 and 5, 4. Okay, if you check the drawings, you will find out the center point of these circles, the 2 circles on the top and the 2 circles at the bottoms, they are aligned vertically. So what we can do, we can add relations. So to add relations, first you press Ctrl key on the keyboard and hold the key. You select the center point of these 2 circles and select the origin here. Add relations, add vertical relation. Now you will see all these circles is aligned vertically. Then we need to add what is the distance between the center point is 85. Okay, now we need to create an arc here. We need to create an arc here and here. Okay, so what we can do here, we have 2 methods. One method is we create a circle. You create a circle. We don't put any dimension first. You click on these circles. First you hold your Ctrl key on the keyboard, press on these circles, then select these circles. You add a tangent relations. Then repeat the same. Select this and this. So if you need to select 2 circles, you must press the Ctrl key on the keyboard and hold the Ctrl key while you are selecting. Okay, now you have a tangent relations. So with these tangent relations, what we can do, we can remove some of the line here or the arc line here. So we can use trim features. Okay, for these trim features, usually we will use power trim, the first options. So when power trim, you will click left click of your mouse and then you hold the key. You can drag to form a yellow color line like this. You can sketch any of these line. If touch the gray color line, it will automatically remove. Let's see, I sketch gray color line. When I touch the line, you see, it will remove, it will trim. Confirm. Once it trim, it will form an arc here. Okay, this arc is without dimensions. So what is dimensions? R 42. R mean radius. If you don't have any complete circles, it won't show the dimension in diameters. It will show radius. So put the radius 42. And we need to check 42, correct. And the other options, we can use this tangent art. We can use this 3-point art. We start from here and attach. Click again, it will form an art like this. But this art, we must add relations. Select these two lines, add tangent relations. Select these two lines, add the tangent relations. Okay, then 96, add smart dimensions. 96. Done. Okay, the second part here, we will start from these circles 26 here. We will sketch here 26. Okay, then we need another bigger circles with the radius of 42. So if radius is 42, but when we key in the dimensions, it will be diameters. So you need to do some mathematics. You can put equal 42, put a star 2, it automatically will calculate for you. See, if you don't put equal sign, it's fine. I think you can, let's see, I start over again. If you don't put any equal sign also, it will calculate for you. You just put like 42, let's say I multiply 3, what happens? See, you can just put the calculation here, 42 star 2, enter. It automatically will calculate the dimension for you. Okay, and then what is the positions? What is the position of these circles? So we need to check from here 80, verticals 40 from the origin here. So click on the origins, click here, place the 80 and click from here to here. We place the 40. Okay, then we need to create two lines from the top and bottom. So from here, make sure you sketch a line like this. Then let them add a tangent relations. Add tangent relation. Select the art here and line at tangent relations. We also do for the bottoms. Make sure you sketch a line is longer enough to form tangent. Okay, then what we do next? We trim. Remember, drag a gray color line. Sorry, it's not yellow, it's a gray color line. Touch, it will cut. Touch, it will trim. Touch here, it will trim. Touch here, it will trim. And also trim here. Okay, so next we need to create, how many circles? We have 8 circles with diameter of 1,5. And where is the position of these circles? We can look on these centerline circles. These centerline circles with the diameter of 60. So first we will sketch a circles with diameter of 60. Since these circles is used to position the circle, we will click the circles. Under the properties here, we will click for constructions. We will tick for construction. Then the circles, it will become a centerline circles like this. Okay, what we can do to sketch the circles, first we will sketch one of the circles, then we will pattern the circles, so it will form total of 8 circles. So we can start one circles at the direction of, or the position at 9 o'clock here. You start center circles. You can touch the circle here. It will show you the position 9 o'clock, 12, 3 and 6 o'clock. So we can place on the yellow diamond shape here, 9 o'clock here. Then we place the diameters 1,5. We place one circles first. Confirm. Okay. For the circular patterns, under sketch features here, we have linear sketch pattern. You can look for circular sketch pattern. Under circular sketch pattern, the first option what you need is this. The first box here is to select what is the center point of these circles to form the patterns. So the first option you select, make sure it become like these colors. Click on this center point, it will show you point 16. So this point 16 will be the center point. How many circles that you need? Total is 8. So the number of pattern, we put it 8. Okay. Entity to patterns, we select entity to pattern. Click on the circles. It will show you the preview. Total of 8 circles it will form on this sketch. Okay. Then you will see from here is pointing the direction of center point. So the point 16 will be your center point. Okay. So then you click confirm. Okay. Once you confirm, you find out the circles is not fully defined. So you can try to move. Let's see. You see it still can moving around. To fix this, I will put these circles, place it on 3 o'clock here. So you click on the circles, it will show you a coincident. I think it's the center point here. It will form a coincident here. Coincident relations means it's like stick on somewhere. Okay, now done. We have complete the sketch. Okay, now we have a sketch. We want to make it become 3D. So we can go under features here. We can select extrude boss. So first I will extrude the height of these 2 cylinders. So the 2 cylinders, what is the height? The total height will be 10 plus 8 plus 7, 25. So I will click extrude boss. The height will be 25. So I will select the control. So first, make sure your thin features option is turned off. Is unticked here. So select the control. I will zoom in. I will click on the shaded area here and here. It will show you a preview. It will show you a preview where to extrude. So confirm. Okay, now I need to extrude second level here. The second level somewhere here. The second level, the height will be 10 plus 8, 18. So I will go back under Extruded Boss here. This is the feature Extruded Boss. You can expand Extruded Boss. You will see your sketch 1. You can look for your sketch 1 here. Extruded Boss. Click on Extruded Boss. Change the dimension D1. Change to 18. Select the control. Select here. Then confirm. So here we have extrude second level. Okay, the last level here is egg. So go back to your sketch 1, extrude the boss. This is egg. Select control, select the reason here, confirm. So now we able to extrude from a 2D sketch, extrude become a 3D model from a single sketch. Okay, if you want to edit, let's say what is the height of this cylinder, you can click on the features. It will show you the dimensions. You can double click on the dimensions. You can change the dimensions. Confirm. Once you confirm, you need to select, you need to select rebuild. This rebuild. If you not select rebuild, it won't able to generate the current value of D1 to the updated value here. Okay. Okay, you can save. Find the save your exercise. Save exercise 2. Okay, to assign materials, you can go under here, materials. You can assign any material that is stated in the questions. You can state it in the questions. So for your quiz, you must answer the quiz by selecting suitable materials. But for this case here, I just randomly select the materials. Okay, after you select the materials, you can look for the mass. How we look for the mass? You go evaluations. Under here, we have mass properties. So for the mass properties, you click the mass properties. It will show you what is the mass in gram. Okay, so this is the exercise for today. Thank you.